Wow! Isn't this house beautiful? I think this is the most beautiful house in our area.
Let us draw this house.
Yes, come on. Siddhant, would you help me to draw this house?
Yes, Shreya. Sure. We need two types of things to draw this house: straight lines and curved lines.
But what are lines?
Let me explain you the meaning of a point, line, and curve, Shreya. Let me draw some points here. So, these are points. They are just little tiny dots drawn on a page. Shreya, can you see that point?
I can see so many points here, Siddhant. Which point are you talking about? They all look same.
Yes, it is difficult to identify a point from so many points. That is why we give names to these points. We name them using alphabets. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, and point F. Shreya, can you tell me where is point F now?
Yes, Siddhant. I can now tell you point F is right there. So, naming a point is very important.
Let me now tell you what a line is. Consider these 2 points, point A and point B. If we start at point A and straightway go to point B, we get a straight line. We would call this line AB. So, a line is a mark that joins 2 points. For example, this is a line. This is also a line. And this also is a line. All these lines are drawn by joining 2 points. These lines are called as slanting lines. This line is called as vertical lines, and we know that this line is called as sleeping lines. Let me give few more examples of lines. These are all lines.
But Siddhant, these lines look different from other ones.
Yes, Shreya, you are right. These are also lines, but are called as curved lines. Let me now tell you the difference between a straight line and a curved line. For this, take a string, hold its two ends like this, and stretch it. We get a straight line. But if we hold this string loose, we no more get a straight line. We get a curve. So, this line is called as a curved line.
I have now understood a point, a straight line and a curved line. This is a point. This is a line. These are curved lines. These are straight lines.
Shreya, can you now draw the house using straight lines and curved lines?
Yes, Siddhant, sure. I draw these points, then join them to draw straight lines. Here, I draw a curved line to draw the windows and doors. And that's it.
Wow, Shreya, you made it. Do you know, Shreya, shapes are made up of straight lines and curved lines?
Yes, now I know the plane shapes and the solid shapes also has straight line and curved lines.
That's good, Shreya. Let us first revise the shapes that we have studied in our previous class. Can you tell me which shape is this?
Yes, this is a square. A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. All these sides are straight lines. So, a square has 1, 2, 3 and 4 straight sides.
Wonderful! Now tell me, which shape is this?
This is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 corners and 4 sides. All these sides are straight lines. So, a rectangle also has 1, 2, 3 and 4 straight sides.
Wonderful! Now tell me, which shape is this?
This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. All these sides are straight lines. So, a triangle has 1, 2 and 3 straight sides.
Very nice! Tell me, which shape is this?
This is a circle. A circle does not have any corners and sides. It is made up of only a curved line.
Great, Shreya!